Alright guys, this video we're going to go over one example of an exponential decay problem. So decay, what that's going to mean is after a certain amount of time, a certain quantity is going to keep decreasing. It's going to keep going down and down and down, and eventually it kind of levels off, because that's what happens when you graph exponential functions if they go down left to right. We'll talk more about this in class. What are some real-life examples where something decreases exponentially? Car prices. If you ever hear car depreciation, basic concept is you buy a car, right off the lot, and as soon as you buy it off the lot, the price goes down. And each year you put wear and tear on the car prices go down each year. But eventually it'll level off. Now here's the main thing, the equation for the exponential decay, this you want to take down, and it's really the same exact equation for exponential growth on the other side of this worksheet, except the big difference here is you have a minus. That kind of makes sense. It's minus because the prices are going to go down, or quantities are going to go down, that's why we say decay. And everything else is going to be the same. So after you take down this equation, the y, this is going to be the final amount. Let's make this a little bit smaller. All right, now you can see it. Y is the final amount, A is the initial amount. Now what's going to happen in this final amount, y, should be less than the initial amount because the values are going down. R is the rate and T is the time in years. So let's just refer to this formula and let's just do number one. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we have value of a brand new Toyota Corolla is $22,000, and then this price depreciates 7% each year. So you buy it new, $22,000, every single year after that, that price is going to go down. We want to find, if we use this model, what is its value going to be after 5 years? So let's figure out what Y is, what A is, what R is, and what T is. So let's see here. The brand new Toyota Corolla is $22,000. Since that's brand new, that's the initial price. So that's A. So I'm going to put A equals $22,000. Okay, I have the percentage. It goes down 7%, so that's R. 7% as a decimal is 0.07. And then say, what is its value after 5 years? So obviously T is 5. So what it asks us to find is the final amount after 5 years. So we want to find Y. So we'll put Y equals, this A value is the 22,000. Then we're going to have 1 minus R, which is the 0.07. This is raised to the T, and T in this case is 5. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Just plug these numbers in, put it in your calculator, make sure, since you're dealing with money, round it to the nearest hundredth, which is the nearest cent, and when you put that in, you should get $15,305.14. And that kind of makes sense because this Y value is less than that A value. Because it's exponential decay, the prices go down every year.